Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this everyday makeup look. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown, and I just kind of use this to fill in any missing areas. Next, I use the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced in the shade Vanilla, and I just put some below my eyebrow, above my eyebrow, and in between my eyebrows also. So I do this just to achieve the cleaner, more sharp look that I like personally. And also when I am filling in my eyebrows with the concealer and gel, sometimes it gets a little messy, so that's why I like to do this as step one. So now I am just doing the same thing to the other side, putting the concealer above and below the eyebrow, also in between. Now I am using a blending brush and I'm just blending the concealer so that when I apply my foundation, everything just smooths into my skin and it looks very seamless. Now I'm taking the Airspun translucent powder and just setting the concealer on my eyelids to prepare for eyeshadow later on. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the same concealer and just dot it on any redness or active blemishes or acne scars that I may have, just so that when I apply the foundation I have an even tone. I'm also going to go ahead and put some on my under eye. I usually put it after the foundation. However, this concealer is really pigmented and like darker than my foundation, so I just realized when I'm using this concealer I like to put it before the foundation. And I'm also just gonna go ahead and tap in with a beauty blender. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation in the shade 040, and I'm just using my beauty blender to seamlessly put it on my skin. Taking the same translucent powder, I'm going to go ahead and apply it in my under eyes, and this is just to set the concealer in place. To set my foundation, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in 1, which is fair/pale, and I'm just putting this all over my face. Now I'm taking the Hourglass Ambient Light Edit Sculpture palette, which is this beautiful palette that just has all these wonderful, gorgeous colors and different things. That is just my holy grail. This is definitely a must. You need this in your life. So I'm just putting this on my cheekbones, on my jawline, also above my forehead at the very top, just kind of creating some more definition to my face. I'm also putting it below my bottom lip to give it a bigger appearance. Now I'm also taking this holy grail palette that I'm telling you guys that you guys need, and I'm going to take the two pinkish shades and I'm using them for my blush. And I'm just putting this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm also putting some on the tip of my nose to give it a cute little bright look. Taking the same palette I'm telling you guys need, I'm taking the top highlighter colors, just giving it a little mix. And I'm putting this on my cheekbones just to give me the pretty highlight that I need, the glow when I turn around, the light hits, you know what I'm talking about. I'm also applying highlight to my brow bone, which is right below my brow, just so that, you know, when the light hits it looks good. Also on the top of my lip and on the tip of my nose. Now for shadow, I'm using the Magic by Juvia's, and I'm going to be using this pretty orangey color right there. And I'm just going to use this color on my crease, and I'm just going to blend it in just for a natural look. For an everyday look, I don't go crazy, so I'm just going for a color that just kind of matches anything and just looks good always. I'm doing this to the other eye, and I'm going to take this pretty bronzy color, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this on my eyelid just to give it a little shimmer, to make my eyes stand out a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my eyelash curler. My eyelash curler is also another holy grail in my makeup routine. Even if I don't wear makeup, my lashes always need to be curled. So I'm just curling my lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara. This one I got as a gift, so I wanted to go ahead and try it out. I actually really liked it. It's good for volume, not so much for length, but I do like it. It does separate your lashes, so definitely a good mascara. I really like this mascara for an everyday look, like a very simple, natural look, which is what we're going for an everyday. So this mascara is actually perfect. And for my second layer of mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Carbon Black. And this one is good for length. So I don't know if I should have done length first and then volume. That might have been my mistake. But together they work pretty good. I guess it doesn't really matter in what order. But this is what I'm using, and they came out pretty cute. I'm also applying them to my lower lash line just to give my eyes that open look. Now for lips, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Melted Liquefied Longwear Lipstick in the shade Chihuahua. And I'm just putting this on my lips. I really like the applicator. I know it's a little bit weird for like lipstick style, but it's actually really easy to apply. Like, you don't even need a mirror. You should have a mirror, but I'm saying if you happen to not have a mirror, like, I think you'll be okay because you can feel the shape that you're forming. So now I'm going for a second round of curling my eyelashes. I realized that when I apply mascara, my eyelashes get really heavy, so they start to get straight. So once they're dry, make sure they're dry, and then recurl, and you get these pretty curly lashes. And I'm applying lip gloss because I didn't really like the matte look. And this one is a L'Oreal lipstick. It's really old, so I can't even see what color it is exactly, but it's a pretty mauve-y color. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Mwah!